In this short exercise, we're going to make use of badges to add badges to our web page so that we can highlight some information for our visitors to our website. Going to index.html page, right there in the very first content row, right after the name of the dish there, I'm going to add in a span with the class badge danger, and then add in the badge information there. This will add a red colored badge with the words heart in the badge to our web page. In addition, I'm going to add in one more badge, which is a badge pill, by adding in a badge with the class badge pill, and then create a gray colored badge by using badge secondary and include the price of the dish into our web page. Let's save the changes and go and take a quick look at our web page. Going to our web page, you can see that by adding in the badges, we have created this red colored badge with the word heart, and then the badge pill with the price of the dish into our web page. So this is a nice way of adding in little piece of information to our web page and highlight that piece of information. This completes this exercise. This is a good time to save the changes to your Git repository with the message alerting users.